English reading house. I म्हणजे मी, you म्हणजे तू किंवा तुम्ही, he म्हणजे तो, she म्हणजे ती, we म्हणजे आम्ही, it म्हणजे ते, they म्हणजे ते. I am मी आहे, I am boy, I am girl, I am doctor, I am student, I am man, I am teacher, I am farmer, I am police, I am singer, I am chef.
You are तू किंवा तुम्ही आहेत. You are a good dog boy. You are a good girl. You are my best friend. You are very kind. You are a good doctor. You are best teacher. You are a very good man. You are a good student. You are doing great.
ती आहे. She is good girl. She is my mother. She is good doctor. She is my sister. She is my best friend. She is playing a game. She is singing song. She likes to dance. He is so आहे. He is a good boy. He is my father. He is my brother. He is a good man. He is a good doctor. He is my best friend. He is a carpenter. He is mechanic. He is police. We are आम्ही आहे. We are friends. We are reading book. We are singing a song. We are playing football. We are dancing. We are drawing. We are running. We are doing work.